Kaiju no minasan, konnichiwa. Now it is time for Shoyu Japan Life. Okay everyone, just want to introduce a really simple recipe using eggplant, the Japanese eggplant or nasu. So we're gonna make today yaki nasu with honey miso paste. So let's get this ready. Okay, we already washed our eggplant over here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this top over here, because that, and actually be careful because there's thorns on it a lot of times, so we want to just get rid of that. Okay, so we got rid of the tops. Now let's cut our nasu into slices. What you can do is you can cut it in half, and then from the half you can cut it into another slice like this. So then you have, actually you can have as many pieces as you want, but anyway, so we have 4 pieces there. We got this cut, and that's pretty much done for the preparation. Okay, so now we have all of this. What we want to do next is we want to fry this on the pan. So let's get into that next. Okay, let's turn on the fire, turn it down to a little bit lower flame, about medium, to heat the pan. And we're going to use olive oil. So we have olive oil here. I'm going to just put a little bit of olive oil inside, because eggplant tends to absorb a lot of the oil. But anyway, I can also use sesame oil too, but just get this heated up. So I'm gonna put this in the pan like so, and it looks like we can fit about 3 pieces, so we're gonna put 3 pieces in there. Again, my fire here is on medium. You want to have a nice browning on each side of the nasu. Let's see how we're doing. There you go. You can see a little bit of the browning on it. This is looking really good, folks. We're almost ready. And in a second, we're gonna be making the sauce. Okay, we flipped it over. It's really nicely browned here. So that's pretty much it. We'll turn off the fire and let's get it onto a plate. Now let's get the sauce ready. Okay, let's get into making the sauce now. So we're gonna use miso, and this is the miso without the dashi or without the soup base in it. This is just plain miso. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of miso. Again, this is to taste. I have about a tablespoon here, and then you're gonna add about a half teaspoon of honey, and that's it. So you have a half teaspoon of honey. If you want to make it sweeter, you can add more. But all you're doing here is mixing it. So you have the miso and mix it with the honey. So the sauce is pretty much done after you have it like this. Everything's well mixed. Next, let's put it on the yakinasu. This part is real simple. You can put it right on top here if you want to. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it on the side. Anyway, that's pretty much the dish. You can eat this with rice, and you can also eat it with fried egg. So let me show you the final product. Here we go. Yakinasu with the honey miso sauce, and eat that with a fried egg on rice. Oh, looks so good. Yakinasu with honey miso sauce. Kansei. Okay everyone, it's time to eat. Decided to add a little bit of sesame and green onions on this thing, but we're getting ready to eat this. Itadakimasu. I got my egg. I'm gonna break the egg so that we got some yolk that we can put on the eggplant. Here we go. Oh. Mmm. Wonderful. And you wanna eat that with some rice and some egg. Got another winner, everyone. Oh, this is a winner, everyone. Yakinasu with honey miso sauce. Please give it a try. ごちそうさまでした。
皆さん Please like, subscribe, and tell your friends too. Thank you, oh yeah, ありがとうよろしくお願いします。